Look who made me breakfast this morning. Ooh. Ooh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Love you. Your hair's so tall. Where are we, Luke?
Wicklow.
The farm, the farm. Been at the farm for the past couple of days. We look like Christmas.
Yeah.
Luke's in there. He's putting his socks on. As you guys know, Luke lives in Ireland. Family lives in Dublin, but they also have, well, it's very white, but it's beautiful at the farm, or at a farm in Wicklow. So flippin' nice. And quiet. Just with the sound of some sheepies. They're somewhere. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Sometimes they're in this field. Let's see. Nope, no sheep in here today. There are other sheep down there. That's just not their sheep. So the sheep are in here and another pasture. And then there's an orchard over this way. The house. And then some more like gardening beds with veg up this way. And lots of green pastures and things. So I thought I'd show you guys around a little bit. Not going this way. I can't open that with one hand. I always like to try to do some sort of a little project when I'm here to help out. So yesterday I trimmed back this here. Could probably go back a little bit further. Yeah, these thorns, these like raspberry or blackberries or whatever they are like, they're everywhere. And the thorns are so thick. They're very invasive into everything, but making some berries. Oh, here he is. So this is the house that Luke's family built at the farm, right? There used to be an old house, but they tore it down.
Yeah.
And then this is left over from the old house, right? Another house that was there too.
Yeah.
And then there's a shed,
Yeah.
and then a caravan mobile home kind of in the back, and then a greenhouse. All the way over there. Are those the Wicklow Mountains? I'm not sure. There's some sheepies. I can see them. They're very far away. But I see them. There they are. Where are your sheep? They're not in that one. If they weren't in that one, which one would they be in?
Over there.
Over there? The other morning they were like right up to the gate. And then they were like, oh, people, the humans are back. Let's go do some work. You know. No. It's been a little bit. Now we're going on an afternoon walk.
Yeah.
Got some good work in. Woo. Maybe Luke can tell you a little bit more about this farm place.
Big field.
That big field?
Yeah.
Let's go into the big field. Look, what? Oh, sheepy. It's okay, sheepy, don't worry, it's just us humans. It's just us humans. Don't run that way. We're coming that way. Luke, when did your family get that farm? Buy the farm?
2000?
2000?
No, later.
Later?
I think it's like... Yeah, maybe like 2010. No.
So not really ever, but you built the house, got some sheep. We're not sure. Oh, here more sheepies. Sheepies. Should we go down? Where to go? This way?
Well, down, yeah, we can go around, yeah.
Let's go down and around. Yeah, I like to say that this looks like a picture. Like a backdrop. It doesn't look real to me.
Oh my god, let's go. Spooky, scary skeletons. Shivers down your spine.
Where to next on our walk? We came from the bottom of the pasture we were just in, or the field, and now we're in this field. These are what I'm talking about. These are thistles, and they prick my leg as I walk by. Seems like you've taken me to a corner where there is nowhere else to go. There is no dark forest. Oh, look, a dark forest. What kind of tree is this?
It's a big ash.
A big ash tree.
It's a hickory.
What? You said it was ash.
No. It's ash, yes.
Look, I really think it's gonna like torrentially downpour soon.
Okay, let's see the oaks.
Okay. The swing! Oh, it looks all misty. Oh, because it is. It's really raining now. Should we go inside and resume our trip to the oak trees? Or should we just toughen up?
Go inside first.
Okay. It's on the way, yeah? Inside?
Yeah.
Lead the way, babe. This is what I was talking about before. There's the orchard up in here. All of those like taller green trees are various fruit and nut trees. They got red currant, black currant, not pomegranate, gooseberries. What else? Apples, pears.
Yeah.
You said, what kind of nut?
What?
What kind of nut?
Walnut.
Walnut, that's what it was. And then I don't know if you can tell, there's some holly and ivy up in the back in the tree there. Out of the rain, let's go. We're back in Dublin. I didn't really tell you guys that we were departing. But we decided to come back here. This is my last night here, but
Yum yum.
I'm pretty freaking hungry. It's like 9 p.m. So we're gonna go get some pizzas and pick up some dog food.
Yeah.
And bread.
Yeah.
Maybe some tasty to drink too. How do you feel?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like some tasty drinks.
Some tasty bears.
Bears. Oh.
Scandalous. So I didn't continue vlogging the pizza, but we had a really nice last supper yesterday. This is a shorter vlog. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't do a lot of vlogging or really much at all at the farm, but it was a really nice time. So yeah, today's my last day, but you guys will see that in a separate video. I just wanted to fill you in. Thanks for watching.